Sissycos Women's 80s Leggings Neon Artistic Splash Printed Buttery Soft Stretchy Pants. High quality 3D print. Featuring a vintage Scotland tartan lattice check plaid pattern, these leggings combine classic holiday vibes with a touch of retro flair. Perfect for Christmas, St. Patrick's Day, or just adding some fun to your wardrobe. The vibrant print will never fade, and the leggings are designed to fit a wide range of ages and body types. Details. These leggings are equipped with an elastic waistband for a comfortable, secure fit. The opaque, thick fabric ensures full coverage, so you never have to worry about see-through issues. Whether you're lounging or on the go, you'll feel confident and at ease. Occasion. Ideal for a variety of occasions, from casual daily wear to workouts, or even as comfortable pajamas. They're versatile enough to pair with your favorite dress, blouse, sweater, or skirt. Perfect for the office, fitness classes, or just running errands. Material. Made from brushed, buttery soft, stretchy fabric, these leggings offer a comfortable, breathable fit that moves with you. They're both shaping and flexible, keeping you comfortable all day. Easy to care for, they're machine washable, cold hand wash recommended, and can be hung to dry. Step up your style game with these fun, comfortable, and high quality leggings from Sissycos.